to set priority alert or silent for conversation easily on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Notifications. So after click on Notifications, scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. So after click on Advanced Settings, click on Conversation. So after click on Conversation, now here click on Incoming Calls. So after click on Incoming Calls, now here showing you priority alert and silent. So if you want to set silent, so click on silent. So if you want to set alert, so click on alert. So if you want to set priority, so click on priority. So after adjusting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set priority alert or silent for conversation easily on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.